How to find recent searches on Instagram. If you want to revisit something you recently searched for on Instagram, here's how you can quickly access your search history. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Find and select your activity from the list. Scroll down until you see the Recent Searches option and open it. A list of your recent searches will appear. This way, you can quickly and easily revisit profiles or hashtags you've looked up, even if you don't remember their usernames. That's it for this video. You now know how to access your recent searches on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more digital tips and tricks, don't forget to follow for the latest updates.